is all around. I is for indigo shape, treat Gaxos Adrian say. J is J jelly bean, bouncing every way. K is for khaki kite, kind in the airs. Cats fart and jets whip lands everywhere.
So we're gonna start here on ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT will help us to generate the prompt and the motions and also the lyrics for the song, and then it's gonna give us the type of the song so that we can use it to generate. So we're gonna start here by copying the first prompt, and then we're gonna go to this website. It's called FlexClip. So you're gonna need to sign up for this. Then you're gonna need to come here to the AI tools. So I'm gonna click on this one. Okay, then we're gonna select AI text to image. Here to the prompt box, and then we paste the prompt that we got from ChatGPT, and then we come here to the style, and then we come here to the style, and then you click anime depending on what you're doing. Then you come here to 3D cartoon, and then you're gonna scroll a little bit, and then you choose the model. So I'm gonna go with the ultra, and then come here to ratio. So we're gonna need to choose a 16.9 depending on what you're doing. So I'm creating YouTube videos, so I'm gonna just select the 16.9. Image count, so how many images do you want? So I'm gonna just go with 2, so you can just select the amount of images you want. Okay, so I'm gonna just come here to generate. Okay, so this is the result. Look how beautiful the air looks like. If you want more, you can just generate more, but with this one I'm happy with the one that I got. So I come here to download the image, and then I need to go back to ChatGPT and then copy the second one. So this is the process that you need to do until you complete all your prompt for the alphabet. Okay, so I just come here to the prompt box, and then I delete the previous one, and then just add the new one. Do like that, paste, and then we don't need to do everything there. Everything is already set up, so I'm gonna just generate. So this is the result. So look how beautiful the bee looks like. So this is so beautiful, and then you can just come here to the download section, and then you download the image. So we're gonna move to this website, which is an Anemone AI. So you can just come here to create. This is the free AI, by the way. Okay, so I'm gonna come here to this plus sign, and then I'm gonna bring one of the images into this platform. Okay, then the image is here already. So what you need to do is to come here to describe the action. So I'm gonna just I'm just gonna paste the action for my image so that it can create the video according to what I want. So you're gonna come here to generate. This is gonna take approximately 4 minutes, so you need to be patient with this. So this is some of the videos that I've generated. So you can see that's how the results are. This is so cute, and then we can just go through the other ones. Let me just scroll down. This is the K. You can just have a look how this AI is, and then let's just move to another one. So this is the H, this is the E. The results from this AI, this is how beautiful the video turned out to be. And then what you need to do after you finally done with your videos, then you can easily come here to download, and then this video will be available in your computer. So now we're gonna need to move to another process, of which we're going to create a music. The name of the AI that we're going to use to generate the music is called Refusion AI. Okay, then you're gonna come here, and then you gonna need to put the prompt, the lyrics here. Let's just remove this. Okay, so I'm gonna put the lyrics, I'm gonna paste it here. Okay, so we're gonna scroll down, and then we describe the song. So I'm gonna just go back to ChatGPT and then get the style of the song. So I'm gonna just copy this one, bring it here, and just come here to generate. Okay, then you can just select the one that you love. So let me just go with this one, and then the first one, I'm gonna go with the first one, and then I come here to download, and then download the mp3, download it with mp3, then it's gonna be available into my computer. Okay, so now we are moving to the last part, of which is to bring everything together and then start editing. So we're gonna come here to the YouTube video. Okay, so now we are in Canva, so we're gonna just need to bring everything that we were creating on those AIs. So I have already done that. So the first thing that you need to do is to come here to this page, to extend the page, and then you go to your audio, and then you bring the music that you created. Okay, so now you're gonna need to listen to the music. Okay, so where it say A, that's where you need to do a cut off. So I'm gonna split the page. Okay, so just listen, keep it. Okay, so when it's finished about talking about the A, okay, you come and then you split the page again, and then you keep on.
B is for I.
Okay, it's talking about the B, then you cut the page, split the page.
Is for crimson cute.
Okay, then you're gonna continue to do this until you're done with all the alphabet. So, okay, so I'm gonna just come here, and then I'm gonna split this into 2 pages. Okay, so this first one, let me just go to the videos, and then I'm gonna just bring this video with the ABC in crop. So I'm gonna just take this one, and then I'm gonna set it as a background. So I'm gonna just decrease the size a little bit and go to the next one, and then choose another video of ABC together. So I'm gonna set it as a background, and then decrease the size of this one. Okay, so I'm gonna come here, this is for the A, so I'm gonna just put the A here, and then go to the B, and then put the B. So just like that, this is how easy I'm actually doing this, so that I don't get confused. Okay, this is for the D, and then I'm gonna put the D here. So you're gonna just need to do this until you are done with your video. So when you are done, you can just come here to add the transition, and then you can choose the one that you love. So I'm gonna go with a match and move, and then scroll down, and then to this, so that you can apply between all pages. Okay, so this is how easy it is to create this to edit the video. So I'm afraid we came to the end of our video. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.